what's up? It's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, join the squad, and let's get into this video. So, a lot of you are here from my DIY patio enclosure thing I did because of course he moves when I try to talk about him. That psychopath, my cat. I rescued him and then I had to do this enclosure so he couldn't escape my second floor apartment patio thing. That video was so much fun. The stuff I did to the patio is still going strong. I wanted to update it a little bit. I saw these inspiration pictures on Instagram, some amazing accounts that I saw have like these really awesome apartment patios, so I was like, I have to make mine cuter because yeah, the stuff I did was cute, but like this was like fabulous, so I had to do it too, obviously. So because I did the catio, I already had this plastic mesh grid, so I was easily able to put the flowers, like weave them in, and they stayed really good. This video was in the course of what, like a couple weeks, almost this whole entire month. As you know, I've been gone. I was on vacation with my family. This probably took me close to 30 hours, something or other, like actual hours of full-on work, and then I decided to paint stuff, and then you'll see. I did a lot. It was starting to be like a flower wall, and then it turned into, you will see, it turned into my whole patio makeover and flower wall, whole flower patio. It is everything. So let's get into the video. I am talking way too much. Let's get into this flower wall DIY patio. Let's go. I was trying to make this as affordable as possible, so I went to the dollar store. They did have the little fake flowers, but only these little butterflies were here that I liked. I think I got 2 pairs of those. Needed a ton, so on to the next. It's huge, it's new, and I'm obsessed. Everything is 40% off. They have so many flowers. I don't know what to do with life. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Flowers and more flowers. Oh, there's so many to pick from. Holy crap. Wow. Okay. Here we go. That was actually a little bit of a fail. I didn't get anything today because they are going on sale from 40% to 70% off in 3 days. So I will resume the shopping in 3 days. Yay! Haha, just kidding. I'm impatient and I spent my night on Amazon and I ordered stuff that was so much cheaper and so much more for your buck. So here's a little preview of what it looks like before I've done anything to it. So, I ended up going crazy on Amazon and I found even cheaper stuff, way more quantity for your dollar. I found a bunch of ivy, I found these beautiful hanging ones, and boxes of roses. I also randomly stopped by Michael's and they were having an 80% sale off and I was so excited about it and I forgot to film. Sorry. So all the stuff I got will pretty much cover all this and make it a beautiful backyard oasis. So I have twist ties and then I have like this little really flexible metal wire from 99-cent store. So we will see. It's easily cut by these little 99-cent store gardening shears. And I don't know if this green will be too bright or actually help camouflage all that, so we will see. I think I'm going to start by putting on some of the ivy and then work in all the other flowers and colors. So here we go. It is still like 85 degrees outside, so I'm dying, and the audio sucks because Burbank Airport, so this might be a voiceover, we'll see. So I started off by using the wire to fasten on, but I found out quickly that I didn't need to. I was able to weave it in and out and fasten it using its own leaves. I took the leaves and put them under the little piece and then pulled them up through the hole. I lost tons of my footage, so here's some pictures of the rose vines I ordered. I was able to use the same method for the strands of roses by just weaving them through and pulling the leaves through the holes, and it actually stays really, really well. It's been windy and everything, and nothing has fallen down. And now for the roses with the stems, I just weave them in and out each hole, and they stay really nicely also. And some of them I placed using the really bendy wire they have to wrap it around itself. After I got done all of the ivy and the roses, I started to add in the color and putting in the nice fluffy pink ones. So all of the rest of the flowers have really sturdy stems, so I was able to weave in and out, and they stayed really nicely. Opened up the second package of ivy and I let it air out because the plastic has a little bit of a smell, but it goes away. Just let it air out overnight. And we are ready to start the other side of the project. Okay, so it has been about 2 weeks for me, 2 seconds for you guys, but I took a trip to Northern California to see my family. It was a really good time, and now I am back to finish the other side, and it is actually freezing here. I left, it was super hot, and now it's freezing, so that is a little bit better for me now. I'm not going to die of heat stroke while putting up the ivy. I already split everything in half, so now I have the rest of the packs for this side. Never-ending YouTube project, almost done. Have to paint a couple more things and then hopefully it'll be over and I can upload. So it was a dark brown and then now it is white. Yay! So I did have this before and then my dog was loving it and sitting outside, but I decided to upgrade. I wanted to upgrade my footstool, so I'm not using that plastic little stool anymore. I found this on Amazon. It is a really cute pouf. It comes empty, and what you do is you stuff old blankets or whatever people use, like kids' toys. If it's like a kid's toy room, they stuff their extra stuffed animals and stuff in here to clean up around, but I'm using all these old blankets that I have in my hall closet, and now there's more room in my hall closet, and I don't really use these anyway anymore. I was gonna donate them, but they are getting donated to stuffing my pouf. So I will do this and I will get back to you guys when I get it all stuffed. Ooh, that took a little bit of work. Ooh. It is hot now, but here it is and all the stuff inside, and you zip it up. Now I have something to put my feet on and or my dog to jump up onto the chair because she's getting old, so I had to have something extra cushy for her to use to go sit and sunbathe on the little chair outside, so let's go put it outside.
Just a little reminder of what it used to look like on the first makeover, patio catio. And now the reveal in daylight.
So I'm loving this patio. I am shocked how awesome the flowers looked and how good it turned out. Like, thank you, Michaels, for having that sale. Obviously, Amazon always comes through with the cheap stuff, and they did not disappoint this time. I'm so happy that I was randomly looking on Craigslist and was able to find that chair for $10. Like, what? She just wanted to get rid of it. I did want the egg chair that was like $200, but I can't afford that right now. So the $10 chair will do. If I get this egg chair, can we put it out in the universe? I need this egg chair. How amazing would that patio be with this egg chair? Like, obsessed. I'm gonna get it someday. It'll happen. Just put that out there. I'm getting this egg chair, and I'll do a whole entire video on it. I'm gonna put lights on it. I'm gonna put like a bunch of flowers on it. It's gonna be fabulous. This chair will be everything. I've lost my mind. I need to go sleep. It is like 2 in the morning right now. This is not juice. It's made from grapes, but not juice. So I'm getting back in the swing of things. I know I took a long time off. It's been like, what, a month? But I do not like filming if I'm in a funk or I'm in a bad mood. Like, I don't like being fake, so I film when I'm in a good mood and having fun because I don't want it to be forced ever. Like, I want you guys to like know that I'm reviewing a product and giving you my honest opinion and all that stuff. Like, I don't like to be fake, even though there's a bunch of fake hair up here. I don't like to be fake otherwise. So we can thank this crazy kitty for all the fun DIYs we've gotten to do for my patio. Look how big he is. He's so big. So big. So, I hope you like this video. I don't even know what that was. It was a video showing what I did to my patio. I don't know how much footage I have, where it went, and all the above. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, boop that little notification bell, and leave me a comment. I would love to know what you thought of my flower wall and patio transformation, whatever this video turned out to be. I will see you in the comments below, and I will link everything that I purchased and ordered in the section below. Love you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye! And if you haven't seen my catio transformation, watch this video. And my most underrated video that I love so much that no one's watched, this video. And maybe watch this video too. And how about this one?